Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. In this video, I'm going to run you through how you can start to stake your cryptocurrencies and earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. I'm also going to show you how I earn my cryptocurrencies in order to stake, okay? Because if you don't earn crypto or you don't buy crypto, you're not going to be able to stake that crypto to earn interest on that crypto. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to earn your crypto and how you can start to stake your crypto and where I do it. So before I continue, please like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, click the bell icon so that you don't miss these videos when I do them. I'm going to be doing more videos showcasing what I am doing. So first of all, you can see here that Bitcoin is at 49,000 and some change. Ethereum is over $3,299. Okay, the market is looking good at the moment, and what can we say? At the end of the day, all of the cryptos are going up, and that's what we like. And whilst they're going up, I like to earn interest on my crypto. Okay, I do like to earn my interest on my crypto, and the first place that I do earn my interest is Lido. And Lido is basically, it's a part of Ledger Live now, but it's basically a company that provide liquid staking, meaning that you go through Lido to stake your Ethereum, okay, on the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, meaning that you don't have to have 32 Ethereum, which is usually the entry level to start staking Ethereum. You don't need to have that 32 Ethereum. You can stake for any amount and earn interest on your staking. They take about 10%. That's why it's about 4.6. So this just means this would have been about 5.6%, but it's 4.6% APR I'm getting here, and I don't have to deal with the hassle of running a validator node. Okay, so the good thing is that I can stake my Ethereum here and earn rewards in about 4.6% APR here, and this is just happening. I just stake it and leave it and I'm done. Okay, the price goes up in Ethereum, I earn more staked ETH. This staked ETH is pegged to the same price in ETH. So if I got 6.0598 ST ETH, I have around 6.0598 ETH that is staked on the beacon chain within the Ethereum 2.0 infrastructure. So it's powerful because Ethereum 2.0 means you don't have the capability to withdraw your stake from the beacon chain until Ethereum 2.0 launches. So Lido gives you the chance to actually have those Ethereum liquid, so you can actually use it elsewhere. Because if you stake directly on Ethereum 2.0 yourself, with running your own validator, you're not going to be able to withdraw that. But with Lido, you're able to use your ST ETH, which means it is liquid. That's why they call it liquid Ethereum staking, Ethereum 2.0 staking. This is how I earn some interest off of staking my Ethereum. So you can see that here. Another way that I earn interest in crypto is through staking my Cardano. So I have Cardano as well that is staked here on a Yoroi wallet, and you can see here I'm getting rewards every 5 days. There's a bit of a server error here, so let me refresh it, see if that will show again. But the rewards are paying every 5 days here, as you can see. Let me scroll down here, so you can see here I got quite a big reward here, nearly 3 ADA that I got here. So you can see these are all the rewards that are happening every 5 days that I'm getting, and this is just happening non-stop. Okay, and this is around 5%. I'd say just around 5%. I'm getting 5% APR, and I'm getting paid every 5 days, and I'm just letting it stack here. Okay, and every time I get paid from my business, or anytime I get paid elsewhere, I'll put a little bit into my ADA stack, which will grow my the amount that I am earning in staking rewards. So staking my Cardano is a very big part of that too. So staking Ethereum, staking my Cardano. Another way that I also earn yield is through Pancake Swap, and Pancake Swap is also a decentralized exchange, and within this decentralized exchange you're able to get involved in different pools and yield farms to earn interest on your coins. In this case it's Cake, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. You're able to stake your coins and earn a yield. I'm actually here staking my Cake, okay, here, and I'm earning a yield. I'm earning 91.34 APY, and this always updates. As you can see, this is updating all the time, almost every minute. You can see this is updating here. I'm earning about 91.34% APY here, okay. And anytime I want to, I can unstake this, okay. If I want to, I can just click this minus and I'll be able to unstake this and get all of my rewards into my MetaMask wallet, okay. So the same thing applies with my Cardano. If I want to here, I can withdraw all of my rewards. I can withdraw all of my rewards and unstake this all my Cardano. I can remove all of this from staking if I want to at any point. So I can do that with here as well, but I just keep them staking because it's just earning me passive income, okay. So Pancake Swap, very good one to earn Cake rewards. APY is 91.34%. Cardano about 5%, Lido around 4.6%. The rewards go up and down. It really does. It depends on how many people staking, and but it really depends. Another way that I stake my coins, well, not necessarily stake it, I would say lend my coins, is through Celsius. So I'm not logged into my Celsius wallet here, but Celsius is a good place to lend your coins out and earn APY on this as well. So the type of coins that I have in Celsius are like Chainlink, Matic, Synthetics, what else? I've got a little bit of Ethereum on there as well. I've got Cell token, as well as various other tokens on here. I've even got some USDT here as well. So you can actually see what the amounts you can earn if you are to lend them out here. So you just go in here and you lend whichever amount you can send to the wallets inside, and you start to earn immediately. Payments are made every Monday, so every Monday you get paid a certain amount depending on the APY. So for example, say I had $5,000 here, say I had 5,000 in say USD. Let's see, stable coin, let's pick TUSD. I'll be making about 8.88%, which is around $2,790 a year off of Celsius. So not bad at all. That is for 5 years. If I put it at 1 year, I'm gonna make about $464 in the year. So that's 8.88% a year. If I have it in there for 5 years, that's the 2,790. If I have, let's say I have US, no, not, we've already done that. So Synthetics, like I mentioned, no, Matic I mentioned. So I've got Matic in there as well. So let's say I have $10,000 in Matic. In 1 year, I'm gonna make about $1,107. in 5 years I'm going to have about $6,901, and this is not taking into consideration the price of Matic that will obviously go up, because many of these coins are going up in price. So this is another place that's very, very good for lending out your coins. The links to these things are in the description of this video. Okay, for example, if you want to learn about Pancake Swap and how to do the all of this staking your cake, it's all in my 7-figure Rolodex. Okay, but you need to get the free crypto for beginners training. Okay, once you go through the free crypto for beginners training, you'll be able to learn all of the how to stake your cake will be in there as well. Also if you get my free crypto for beginners training, you're going to also learn about Celsius. You're going to be able to get yourself started with Celsius and start using that app and stake and lending your coins out. You're going to be able to do that. Also, you're going to be able to learn well, you're going to be able to get yourself a nano ledger. Okay, you're going to be able to get a nano ledger, and on a ledger you're going to be able to stake your Cardano. So you need a ledger for that. You can get a ledger inside in my training as well. You can get a ledger inside, and also in my training you're going to also have the information about Lido, and you're going to be able to learn how to stake your Ethereum as well inside there as well. Okay, inside my Rolodex, okay, you're going to be able to see also how I earn my Bitcoin and how I earn fiat and crypto, and how I use those to get involved in Celsius, Cardano, staking, and Pancake Swap, and also you know, Lido. So you need to earn an income before you can do that. If you don't earn an income, you won't be able to get involved in those things. So my 7-figure Rolodex has all of the information about what I do. It's all there. Okay, everything is there according to what I do. And if you want to learn how you can make money online, I've got 2 of my best opportunities to make money online here. My Bitcoin business opportunity, and I've got my non-crypto business opportunity. 2 of those here where you're going to be able to get started and build your business. Also, like I just said, I've got the Lido Finance, Celsius network, and you know, the different wallets here, and the different exchanges. So much information in there. But if you want to get all of the training bit by bit so that you can understand everything, click on this first button, and then you'll be able to get set up. Okay, you'll be able to click on it, enter your name and email address, put show me now, go inside. You'll get my training every day. You'll get some training that will show you how to do each thing step by step, and you'll understand how to get yourself started. If you're brand new, there's definitely bound to be something that will be suitable for you in the Rolodex. So go in there and check it out. I'm going to leave the link to my Rolodex in the description of this video at wb-elite.com. Okay, so everything that I've mentioned in this video, you can use to build wealth. Okay, anything, you can start anywhere, and you can start to stake, you can start to yield farm. I'm not going to go into the whole yield farming part of it, but because you can get that in my training. But you can definitely earn with Pancake. You can definitely earn with staking your Cardano. You can definitely earn from lending on Celsius, and you can definitely earn from staking your Ethereum. And there's various other ways that you can do this as well, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing at the moment, and what's working for me, and also the 2 business opportunities that I use in order to earn the income, in order to get involved in these different things. So if you don't have a business, I suggest you get a business and start building it so that you can take a proportion of that business income and putting it into staking, putting it into lending, and making more money from your money. Okay, it's better that your money's working for you than just sitting in the bank. That's what I believe. So check out my Rolodex. I hope this has been an informative video for you. I know it's been a bit long, but I hope you've learned something from this. If you want to learn more, or if you're interested in building your knowledge when it comes to crypto, go to my training, which I will leave in the description of this video. Okay, wealthbuilderelite.com, and you'll be able to get this training as well. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.